Welcome back. Well, the weekly options expiry has played out and, nothing much. Really, it's just consolidated between 27,400 or 27,500. 27,450 actually was the equilibrium we were told based on the options data with the highest build-up at 27,400 put and 27,500 calls. So an expiry at 27,450 would mean that both these options would expire at zero. So the option writers take away the entire premium on that strangle, which is to sell the 27,400 put and to sell the 27,500 call as well, and that's worked. That's of course today's expiry. So doesn't look like there will be any further move on that up until expiry. On the Nifty also, that meant that it's off the highest point, now up 22 points. But the big move today has been in the mid caps. The index up about 0.8%. Ashwani and Mitessh with us for BTST calls. Ashwani, you go first. Thoughts on index and your stock calls?
On the index today, we've pretty much consolidated with a positive bias. Given yesterday's rally and today's consolidation, often the third day tends to again show upside. So my sense is that given the breadth of this market now, people can take long positions on Nifty, Bank Nifty, etc., and even carry them because again there are multiple stocks now which can move higher. So that way both indices can be bought. On individual stocks, this NBFC stroke financial rally has again started. So IDFC first is a buy with a stop of 42, target of 48. REC is a buy with a stop of 118, target of 130. And M&M Financial is a buy with a stop of 415, target of 432.
All right, so plenty of those NBFCs are going on Ashwani's list on the buy side today. Mitessh, what would you do last 20 minutes?
I would suggest buying into Infratel, that's showing continuation. Buy with a stop at 302 for targets of 318. And Shree Cement is a buy as well. Keep the stop at 16,100 for targets of 16,700.
Okay, Mitessh, your Sun Pharma call in the morning, I think, achieved the targets. It's been a stunning move, but good time to take money off, or you reckon it could move up a bit more?
Anuj, I was hoping it will close above 440, which is where some of the averages converge. So it's not doing that. So for the timing, you might want to take it off. If it starts getting past today's high, which is 445, might take a long entry again. I think 455, 460 could also happen.
Okay. Deepan, let's get your thoughts in on this as well. I mean, today's excitement is, I guess, around Taro, but overall, Sun Pharma, how to rate it?
No, I think our view on pharma has been negative because of commoditization which we are seeing within the sector, and the numbers which have come from these sectors so far have been quite mixed with very few positive surprises. Overall, I think competitive pressure in US and domestic market remains quite intense, and largely I think the gains from US generic markets have already got priced in, and going forward is going to be tough for these companies. So broadly, I would like to remain underweight in most pharma companies. Exception could be contract manufacturers like say Jubilant Life or Divi's Lab or Suven Life Sciences or Dishman. I think apart from that, I think it's going to be tough going for the pharma industry. They could have an occasional good quarter, but the long-term fundamentals are quite challenging for the sector as a whole.
Okay, all right, Deepan, we will let it go on that note for today. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for joining in. By the way, pull up some of these Indiabulls stocks. Indiabulls Real Estate, actually, not so much housing finance. Indiabulls Real Estate has dipped a little bit. Day's low pretty much for that stock playing out for the time being.
I don't know, maybe I spoke a bit too soon or what. The Bank Nifty is just about to break 27,400. I mean, it would not matter, I mean, because it's the weighted average which will come into account, but just a bit of a nick happening on that one.